So, it's me, myself, and I, Mr. Ibino. So, my brother, Wanile, everywhere, trouble don't day town. Everywhere now, bus goes to take everywhere because so good day downtown. And even Mama Nkechi and Amaka, then they for market. Mama Nkechi, they finding Nkechi and Amaka because everywhere don't scatter. Market itself don't scatter because Niger Delta people don't vex. They don't give a federal government. They don't give them an ultimatum on another understanding. Am I able ultimatum? There's in a 14 days ultimatum. They don't give federal government. They made them release of Biafra people where they run Biafra IPOB people will be Mazi Nnamdikanu. Say me them release them. Say if them not release them, hey, I'll go Nakreka. Say them go destroy all the pipeline in Ile. Wait for Nigeria. Say make them hold their ear like this. And again, was supposed to be everywhere. Even the 5 governors of Southeast, all of them don't sit down and bonding together. Say, we not go agree. Say, they go release our brother. People can talk, say, plenty conditions, say they go give. But the problem is, say, they must release them. Now, so all of them don't put hands together. Say, we gonna release nnamdikanu and for all the talk, no be me talk all this one. Even a senator under the commandment of Senator Naya Abaribe. Now they consider too, say, hey, you go release Nnamdikanu. And again, a lot of people don't they put matter, they talk their own their view on top of the matter. And plenty people get a lot of view. But today, we go share a lot of view with you now. All right. Okay. So, my people, and this one, what will they talk? So, will they talk, say, it is not the court that's holding him hostage or the DSS, but we believe that it is the mahadum of the whole control of the federal government. Now, then the whole under hostage. And they're going to ask, so people going to bring their plenty opinion on top of the matter. They say court don't release Nnamdikanu and they say no DSS they hold them because court don't release them. Now federal government and they say they go destroy all the pipeline. They go cause so basbos wahala for Obodo Nigeria. And then Nnamdikanu sorry Konde Shukmat the dog say Nnamdikanu was a kidnapper from Kenya and he is an hostage in Nigeria. You know, when they say na Igbo man talk this one now, they go say Igbo don't talk. And Kenneth Okonkwo on the Shukmat talk say there's a crum and there's a hulambalu inside the here. Well, when I go here within the talk. All right, you know, say when Igbo man talk, they go say Igbo they support Igbo. Even some people say, but I'll be now in the run, say, in the Shukmat put Nnamdikanu matami the release up. Batting. Batting is a batting. Batting no go come change from bad to good. In her job. You know, which I believe that tribalism don't kill. Tribalism and the religion, you don't scatter when over Nigeria. And until we sit down, check this thing with a microscope. You know, I don't understand it. Even you, when they talk about Nigeria, you like Nigeria the way they go. Hey, I'll go everybody. All right, so go shock man today. We're going to talk. All the 5 governors for Eastern governors, we sit down together. Kondi Balabondin, send me the release of Mazi Nnamdikanu and Chukuma Soludo from Anambra State. Hope Uzo, the chairman, the whole matter from Imo State, the governor. Then we'll get another Francis Wilfred. Wilfield, I will not kill myself. For governor of Ebonyi State, plus Alex Oti from Abia State. I want to understand them Peter Mba from Enugu. Now all these 5 governors of Southeast constituency release one night Nnamdikanu. Ebule one night, don't kill our own like this. Because a lot of people don't they use this situation, this pandemonium with the happen for East. They kill nobody. They are killing because this one, some people go say unknown government. Who be unknown government? Unknown government. Government and now people, you don't know them because if you know them, it means that they are not a thief. A thief no will come your house and say, yeah, see me, I am thief. So I feel say, now, what do you call them? Now, scandal that they use. Now, this kind of deceiving, sabotage. Now, so they do for East now. Because when you say, person, unknown government, everybody get mama, everybody get papa. So you know if you talk to somebody is unknown. Thief is unknown because he is known already. So when they say unknown gunmen, they disturb Eastern, they don't scatter our Alibo. Formerly for Eastern world, you go Alibo, you go Sudan. No wahala. Wahala no dey for East, but now wahala don't dey. So now why all these people say we must make official to use net to know the bad people from the good? Because of bad people don't they sabotage say nnamdikanu, we are fighting for his release. Now why we want to make the release nnamdikanu? So all these people don't they shook matter. And again, make we read some comment by a lot of people. Make we now talk say we talk our own mind for here. All right, I just thank Charlie Boy, area father. He shook my talk, say, I thank God, say, no, Pigeon Night, talk for you. I thank God, say, Southeast governors don't they vibrate on top of Mazi Nnamdikanu matter. In fact, Bella suits me. The injustice is becoming unbelievable. It's becoming hey God, this boy he don't speak. He said thunder. No, we will not fire anybody for here. He says sabo people for this matter. Area father. Now so in talk. All right, we could get another one. Where him talk for here. Well, on top of the matter for all the saboteurs, you see, continue in matter the talk. Say the saboteurs in Igbo land. There are people taking note. They see all you scumbag do. For me, I am only waiting for the day, cause I know it's fast approaching their father. Their father don't talk. He said, this comes as IPOB accuses some Igbo politicians of frustrating the efforts to release Kanu. IPOB warned that politicians trying to sabotage Kanu's release should quickly retrace their steps. I say, and our brother, they kill brothers for our Libo. Now we, they kill ourselves. Then I got Charlie Boy to talk. For the switch, I will play this video for now. Don't go nowhere. He say, I am not a sorry fan, but on Mazi Nnamdi's Kanu's case, he's right. He got it right. Northerners can hate the Igbos all they want, but they can never stop their shine. To all the saboteurs in Igbo land, there are people taking note. So I go play all the video. Make una see. Make una just sit tight. Make una hear waiting. Keneto Konkwa. One night from Igbo, our brother, waiting him shook to talk and make you see with his sorry in sweet talk. Make you see with his senator. Don't forget that senator. But I go play the video. I hope so. They are not choosing ethnic bias. They're responsible for why they don't keep Nnamdikanu on that detention for this long. Now, so Keneto Kunkwa in here. Southeast senators meet AGF demanding the release of Nnamdikanu. All right, make us sit down, I play all this video for now. All right, when I go calculate them, and make not forget what am I saying? Make not forget to subscribe and follow us for all these channels for all the Kajadu news we they give. All right, make us see them.
Otherwise, one day, what happened in Kenya? We happening to Biafra. But one day, see how Kenyans look at this in their hands. What did you in Biafra? This will not take time.
Okay, the plan to create a new state, Adada, state in Nigeria, has passed the first reading, but some Ekpa has come out to vehemently, reject such bill, and he has also warned the Southeast senators of interfering in anything Biafra land. He said Adada state is not what they are interested in. That well with Adada state, that all is interested is in the Biafra cause. That is Biafra or nothing.
You see, to me, I, Mr. President, in this Republic of Biafra, live by Nnamdikanu, and this I could be doing to Biafra. You see, this creation of schools and the other things, the people that are bringing it, even regional governments, they say they want to go on it. They are confucionists. People are forwarding their confucionists. And because they don't have tangible thing to debate in that so-called National Assembly, They pick whatever they want. I'm telling people, that is what they are planning. They are not planning to how for the betterment of Nigerian citizens that are dying hunger. They are not planning how to have light and to bring investors in. They are planning to create states. The one they created before, are they functioning well? With the system they have now, are they functioning well? Are their citizens living high? Do they have basic amenities of life? Any hospital, any good roads, any productivity activities in these 36 states, they have already created. And now they want to create another one. All this creation of states and the regional government is to destabilize the Biafra. Watch the one how they have how to do the regional government. See how the present government scatter eastern region, scatter southeast Nigeria, scatter Igbo race. So that we cannot come together and speak with one voice. They continue in divide their rule. Their stupid colonial master, Britain, talk to them to be doing. They start to divide their rule. Look, whatever they said, as our undisputed able Prime Minister Samuel Ekpa of Biafran government in exile have said, we don't need anything state created by the federal government of Nigeria in anything concerning Biafran territory. What we want is Biafra. Let Biafra go and do the same by themselves. After all, some have created the state. God have used somebody to create those states in Biafran nation, which we have 39 states, including the capital Abuja, making 40 states. Then what are they creating for us again? We are looking forward for them to pack their property, their governors, their senators from Biafra back to their Nigeria and leave Biafra settled. Let us govern ourselves the way it pleases us. Govern ourselves by our own religion, which is Christianity, by our own ideology, by our own culture, and by our own environment. All the whole 40 state of Biafra to govern ourselves under one prime minister or under one president. Where there be no corruption, no nepotism, no tribalism, no marginalization, and no telling lie, no political thuggery. That's what we want. And they cannot force their system, wrong system onto us in the name of creating states. Atata State,
Yeah.
Anioma State, Anioji State,
Olu State.
Ekwensu, Devil State, and Satan State. We don't need again in Biafra. We don't need again in Biafra. As our Prime Minister have said, what we need Biafra, let them be Biafra alone and let Biafra govern themselves by themselves. If Nigeria can be held by their own native land of people, Biafra also can be ruled by their own people, not outsiders. To come and rule us. A Biafra where human being will be regarded, have more value than animal. That's the nation we want. So all those so-called people, Biafra Nigerian politicians, they should find themselves whatever they're going to present in their government of Nigeria concerning Biafra. They should know what they're doing concerning Biafra. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Otherwise, one day, what happened in Kenya will happen in Biafra land. But one day, see how Kenyans took their destiny in their hands. One day, to happen in Biafra. This will not take time. I'm waiting to see what our Prime Minister will do. Mostly on December 2nd. Let me see what happened that day? We take those politicians that said they are representing us in their one Nigeria. That they will know what happened. Whether they continue to represent their friends. Those from Southeast, or whether they will cease representing their friends.
Maybe they apologize.
Apologize. Not that Judas was apologized. Judas, after betraying Jesus Christ, he said, "Oh, I have betrayed an innocent blood. You took the money they pay you." But the apostles said, "Please forgive me." Apostles sent him away and sent their money. This morning, apostles sent him away to Kanu. So they don't need it our miss anymore. Then he ran back to his fellow masters, the chief priests and Pharisees and the Levites. He ran back to them. He said, "Oh, keep the money." They said, "Go, away with your money. Don't need him again. Don't need money again. You have achieved what you want." They have nothing to do. He took the money to the temple and dropped it there and went and commit suicide. He himself. This is what will happen to those afraid people. Those wolves. Those wolves. The sheep calling themselves biafra, people biafra, South biafra. But they are not giving it to biafra. They are against biafra. They are for Nigeria. That sheep when they come that morning, their paymaster paid to betray nnamdikanu.
Okay,
to go for the head of someone.
Biafra reject it.
To work against Biafra. IPOBDOS. Nation people. And like-minded of the same faith like them. They will get that money from. And say, okay, let us pray together. They will with your money. And where with your money? You don't need it. And they still run back to their paymaster. I should betray your brothers. So you betray us. We don't need you. And they don't have nothing to do than to get that money to go and dump it on the bank. Not to the bank. Or give it to one NGO or motherless babies or orphanage. Give it to them. And they become back. The fowls of the air reject them. The animals on the earth reject them. Then they will go and die in agitation. They will die in agitation. This is how to lead them at the end. So they should be careful what they are doing. They should be careful whatever they are going to present. You don't need Biafra. Sorry, you don't need any state in Biafra.